Hello everyone, welcome to the 27th lesson of our course, which is a part of 30 Days to Powerful Vocabulary. These are the words for styles of distorted thinking, right? So, this is the second lesson in this series. The first one we have already done. This is presented by me, Harshita Jain. I'm pursuing my graduation from Delhi University. I'm a CSC aspirant and this is my profile link in case you guys want to follow me. And if you like my courses, do rate and review the course and recommend each lesson that you like. Here is the recommend option. The first one is shoulds and oughts. Now, individual thinking in shoulds, oughts, or musts have an ironclad view of how they and others should and ought to be. Okay, so you just form a stringent thought and opinion in your mind about how other persons should be, how they should behave with you, how everything should happen. And these rigid views or rules can generate feelings of anger, frustration, or disappointment if not followed. Okay, because you become very stringent about how the other person should be feeling, or should be talking, or should be what should be his nature. The next one is emotional reasoning. Emotional reasoning is when we assume feelings reflect fact regardless of evidence. Okay, so we feel that the feeling that we are having is true, which is a fact which is not even having an evidence. The idea here is I feel it, therefore it must be true. Okay, so this is the distorted part here, that if you feel it, you feel that it must be true. Such thinking can lead to self-fulfilling prophecies whereby our thoughts can end up eliciting the very behavior we predicted just because we changed our behavior in accordance with that thought. So we change our behavior according to the thought. We do not have any kind of evidence for that, but we change it. The next word we have is labeling. Labeling is an extreme form of all or nothing that we did in the previous lesson, that we just keep over generalizing the things. We believe in black or white. We think that it is either good or bad, and there's no balanced thing. Rather than describing a specific behavior, an individual instead assigns a negative and highly emotive label to themselves or others that leaves no room for change. So again, it is about stringency, that we become stringent about our thoughts, that leaves no room for change. Okay. The next one is fallacy of change. Now, fallacy of change, you expect that other people will change to suit you if you just pressure or cajole them enough. So, if you just create coercion on them, if you force them, they'll change according to you, the way you want. This is how we have fallacy of change. You need to change people because your hope for happiness seems to depend entirely on them. And this is the reason why you want to do this, because you feel that your happiness is depending on them. The next word is being right. You are continually on trial to prove that your opinions and actions are correct. Being wrong makes you pissed off, and it's just unthinkable. You don't think about it, and you'll go any length to demonstrate your rightness. You don't feel that you can be wrong ever. So that's when we have this style of distorted thinking. The next word is heaven's reward fallacy. So you expect all your sacrifices and self-denial to pay off. You just feel that somebody must have been taking score of them. You feel bitter when the reward doesn't come. So you do anything just for getting something back in return. So these were the styles of distorted thinking discussed. Thanks for watching this lesson. If you liked it, I'm glad, and please do review it. If you have any kind of questions, please do comment in the comment section and at Unacademy Digest. Thank you.